Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours, after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first dynamic to point out, and nothing new from the last video I did, but just to really reiterate that so far so good, the 7,800 mark denoted by that green line continues to hold strong. In fact, since the last update I did, the price has continued to bounce and get further and further away from it. So from the support standpoint, so far so good. That level continues to hold strong, but that's also going to be the first quick question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this 20 hours from now. Question number one just simply becomes quickly, all right, well, where's the price relative to 7,800? And as long as you are answering the question that the price is up above that level, then that implies that the current bottom formation is still fully intact. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,800, that would be a very bearish sign. But as of right now, looking like you're probably going to be answering the question that the price is still up above 7,800. Now, on the flip side of things, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video that I did on Monday, but it's all about the purple line right now, the 50 period simple moving average. I talked about that as a level of resistance, and surprise, surprise, you can see right there, that is literally the level that's been pushing it down over the past several hours. So continue to watch that, and really the easiest way to kind of assign a numerical value to that is with the secondary question. So again, this assumes that you are answering that first question that the price is up above 7,800. So the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,600? If you are answering the question that the price is up above 8,600, that would imply that now there's a breakout of that purple line there, again, the 50-period moving average, and that would definitely be a nice bullish step in the right direction. And then just, to see if something crazy has happened, you can take a, inventory check on where the price is relative to 9,100. And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 9,100, that would just imply that not only has the breakout of the 50 period occurred, but there's been that much more momentum after the breakout. So use those general levels and ask yourself and walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video and chart relevant for over the next 24 hours, maybe even longer than that. But 7,800 key level of support, near-term resistance at 50 period moving average, and the next overall level of resistance up there at 9,100. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.